This is Odum Maths. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. Today, I want us to look at simultaneous linear equation by substitution method. And for substitution method, all that you need to do is you take one equation, you make a variable the subject, then you substitute that into the next equation. Then after getting the first variable, then you substitute the first variable back into the other equation. Okay, so now let's look at these two equations. Okay, so equation 1 is giving us 5x plus 2y equals 34, and equation 2 is x plus 3y equals 25. Okay, now per this, looking at equation 2, making x the subject in equation 2 is seemingly to be very easy. So then we say make x the subject in equation 2. Okay, so let me write equation 2 again. And equation 2 is giving us x plus 3y equals 25. So I'm going to make it in equation 2. So this is equation 2. Okay, now let me send this here so that we'll be having x alone. So that is going to be 25 minus 3y. Then we are going to put 25 minus 3y into equation 1 because we took x from equation 2. So we need to substitute it into equation 1. Okay. Put x equals 25 minus 3y into the first equation, that is equation 1. And equation 1 is giving us 5x plus 2y equals 34. That is equation 1. Okay, so where we see x, we put this there. Okay, now 5 into brackets 25 minus 3y plus 2y equals 34, because we said when we see x, we put this there. Okay, now let me expand this. So that is going to give me 125 minus 15y, that is expanding, multiplying 5 by 25 and then 5 by 3, then plus 2y. So let me group like terms. This is equal to 34. Okay, so I have negative 15y plus 2y equals 34 minus 125. This place is going to be negative 13y, and this is also going to be negative 91. Then you divide both sides by negative 13. So negative 13 here, negative 13 here. So y becomes 7. Okay. Now we are not done. We need to substitute y equals 7 into any of the two equations this time to get to get x. Okay. Okay, so after getting y to be 7, then we put y equals 7 into equation 1. You can put it into any of the two equations. When you have any of the two variables, then you can substitute it into any of the two equations. But when you don't have one, that is where you make one of the variables the subject, substitute it into the next equation or the other equation to get the first variable. Okay, so let's continue. Now, this is going to give me my 5 into, for x is already, we don't know x, so 5x plus 2 into 7, that is y is equal to 7, equals 34. Okay, now we have 5x plus, this is going to give me 14 equals 34. And then 5x is equal to 34 minus 14. So 5x becomes 20. Then you divide both sides by 5. So x becomes 4. So then we can say x is equal to 4 and then y is equal to 7. Okay. Now let's take one more example. So now let's look at these two equations, how we are going to solve for x and y. Okay, so I said earlier, what you have to do is take one of the equations, make a variable the subject, substitute that variable into the next equation to get the other variable, and then you go back to get the first variable. Okay, so in these two equations, I'm going to take equation 1, make y the subject, and then put it into equation 2 to get the first variable. Okay, so make y the subject in equation 1. And equation 1 is giving us 4x plus 2y equals 11. So I am going to make y the subject. That is, first I need to move this to that side. So that is 2y equals 11 minus 4x. Then I'll divide both sides by 2. So y becomes 11 minus 4x all over 2. Okay. So now put y equals 11 minus 4x over 2 into equation 2, because we made y the subject in equation 1, so we need to put it into equation 2. Okay. And equation 2 is giving us 3x plus 4y equals 9. That is equation 2. So where we see y, we put this relation there. X plus 4 into brackets 11 minus 4x over 2. And this is equal to 9. Okay, so we need to expand this. Now 3x plus, this is going to give me 44 minus 16x over 2 equals 9. Then I need to, the LCM is 2, so I need to multiply through by 2 to remove this 2. So that is going to be 2 times 3x plus 2 into 44 minus 16x over 2. This is still going to give me the same thing. Okay, then equals 2 times 9. So this is going to be 6x plus, this will take care of this one. So we have 44 minus 16x equals 18. That is 2 times 9. Okay, so from here we can group like terms. So here this is going to be 6x minus 16x equals 18 minus 44, and this is going to give me negative 10x equals 18 minus 44 becomes negative 26. Then we need to divide both sides by negative 10. So by negative 10. Then x becomes, this is going to be 2.6. 2.6. Okay. So now we are going to put x equals 2.6 into any of the, so let me put it into equation 2. Okay. Okay, so we are going to put x equals 2.6 into this one. So that is going to be 3 into brackets 2.6 plus 4y equals 9. So 3 times 2.6 becomes 7.8 plus 4y equals 9. Then we need to send 7.8 to the side, or subtract 7.8 from both sides. So 4y becomes 9 minus 7.8. And 4y is going to be 9 minus 7.8 is 1.2. Then we divide both sides by 4. So here my y is equal to 0.3. So 0.3. Okay. Or let's say you multiply only this by 10, then after your division you divide by 10. So if I multiply this by 10, I'm going to get 12. 12 over 4 is 3. Divide 3 by 10, that is 0.3. Okay. Okay. So thanks for watching, and please, I am urging you to subscribe, like and share this channel for this channel to grow. I need your support. I cannot do this by myself. Please comment so that if there is anything I need to add, I need to subtract, or there should be any improvements, I'm welcoming those things. So please comment, like and share as well. Then subscribe so that if there is anything, you get to know. Thank you for watching. Bye.